Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to juanchyforexanalysis. Today is Monday, May 30. It is 2:50 p.m. in New York. I want to talk about this trade that I did last week. This is a dollar switch, a dollar Singapore. All right, and something about this trade that I did it. It lasted me like 5 days to give me the target. Not exactly the target, but it make my move. That's the important. Okay. This trade I put it on Sunday. Uh, Last Sunday. No, not this Sunday. Yesterday. No, last Sunday. Let me tell you. Okay, can check right here. On this was my entry. On the 23rd. It was on Sunday. Okay. I put this trade. Give me the entry on Sunday. All right. Okay. This trade. On a weekly, as you can see, it's on an uptrend, right? It's on an uptrend on a weekly. On a monthly, it's on an uptrend. But I sell on this trade. I sell on this trade because it's a little. It's almost in a downtrend. I mean, literally, it's on a downtrend on a daily, right? But still, it's like to me on in a daily, like a little bit of a sideways, not too much decision. But I did this trade only for one thing, for why? For the divergent that I see right here. I don't know if you know about the divergent. I'm trying divergent, I'm testing divergent, and I divergent is very strong indicator. Okay, let me show you the divergent that I see on this trade. That's why I put this trade. It's gonna go to RSI. This is a good divergent indicator. All right. So let me show you the divergent. Okay. So you can see. Okay, we go here. This is a okay. You see right here. Let me go. Okay, come on now. You're gonna see the divergent. The reason that I took this trade, because okay, right here, and you see right here, this is what I call divergent. Okay, divergent is very strong, indicator. And RSI right here on a MACD, I see it on a MACD, but I want a confirmation. Then I go to my RSI. So that the RSI is giving me more divergent. As you can see, it's high. It's like over here is high high, and over here is low low. All right, the market telling me it's gonna go up, but the divergence say the buyer is getting weak because the divergence sign is telling me it's gonna go down. It's the end of the curve. All right, so I put this trade, you know, because of that, because that divergence, and not only that, after you see the divergence, you have to make sure you break the next low. You see right here, you break this low here, so. That's the confirmation, the more confirmation of the divergent. That's why I put it. Then after that, it give me a doji. I say, okay, I'm gonna take this trade. But this trade is giving me, it don't give me the money right away. It giving me a little trouble to move. As you can see, this was the candle for the Sunday to Monday. This one was Monday to Tuesday. You see? it went up and then come down. So I said, okay, this is a good confirmation. This is a good move now. But the next day, which was on the 25th, you see that green candle. I said, oh man, this is gonna stop me out. This was my stop loss. Never go to my stop loss anyway. But I got a good space, so I make sure my stop loss is here. If I put it here, still I will be in the trade like over here, but he never stopped me out anyway. So with this candle, I said, well, okay, let's see, because I know it's gonna make my move because of this, the divergent. The buy is getting weak, so that's why I keep this trade. Then it come the next day, which was on 26, I think it was Thursday. Right, I said, okay, it come down again. So on Thursday. So on Friday, they're giving me this candle. So Fridays, I never keep a trade on Friday. I mean, at the end, it was like, I think it was like 11 o'clock in the morning, and I decided to close. I have 50 pip here, and I decided to close. The same Friday, it came down to here, but I don't care. I'm happy I got my 50 pip right here. And, as you can see today, Monday, it's still coming down, but I'm okay because this trade taking too long to give me my move. That's why I closed this here. After this Friday, I said, let me take this 51 pip. I think it was 51 pip I took, so it's not bad anyway. All right, so I did this trade, so I'm happy. I make 51 pip. All right. Um. All right, so I'll see you next time, my friend. I'm gonna check something else. I'm gonna put this video and I see you next, okay? All right? Okay. All right, my friend. This is the other one that I told you. This is a dollar cut. This trade right now is live. I mean, it's some pressing moment. I have this trade. See, this is my stop loss, and this is my target right here. All right, I raise up a little bit the target because from here to my green line, it's more than 100 pips, like 118 people, 13, something like that. But as you know, I only take 100 pips. So from here to here, that's 100 pips. I'm waiting for I'm waiting for that move right here. Okay. So this is another one that I took it because of the divergent. And this one, this one was on a low time frame, 12-hour time frame. All right, let me show you something about this trade. As I told you in the other video, I'm testing the divergent. And as I told you, divergent is very strong indicator. Every time you see a divergent, it means something, all right, so let me show you, okay? This trade, let me go to weekly, right? Let's see. On a weekly, this is another one that I see that on the weekly, it is for me, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? It is to me like on an uptrend, okay? I count 7 candles, right? Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I put the line here on a 20 moving average. You see, it's on an uptrend, okay? And I go to a monthly. Monthly is on a sideways, I usually take a trade. I usually buy on an uptrend and sell in the downtrend. But this specific trade, I did it. I sell on an uptrend because of the divergent. Okay, I sell on an uptrend because of the divergent. See, let me go to a daily. Okay, I forgot to put you a daily. On a daily, yes, daily is on a downtrend. And the reason that I took this trade because right here you see drop, base, and rally. This green candle, juice candle. Okay, as I told you on all my video, this is a juice candle. The market is get attractive to this. Okay, all right. And let me show you the divergent. Okay, on the MACD, it's not too much divergent, but still divergent. That's why I said, but over here we got a divergent because I see the MACD. But now the confirmation is I like to work with the RSI. Let me go to RSI. Wait, RSI. This is a good indicator. RSI for divergent. Okay, RSI right here. You go okay, okay. So see, this is the RSI. Okay. So now I go, let me identify the divergent. The divergent right here, until here, right? And right here until here. You know, it is a beautiful divergence. See, higher high and lower low. That was the reason that I took this trade. And don't get me wrong, right here on the daily, it's on a downtrend on the daily. So I took it and plus this green candle, okay, drop base, rally. So I always say the markets go attracted to the bullish candle. They only want to easy back. Okay, so I go to my entry. I do my enter on a 12-hour time frame. Okay, I went to the 12-hour time frame, and you see the divergence still there. All right, on a 12-hour. Okay, the divergent. Okay, and I see that was Sunday. You have this doji and this candle right here. This was a Sunday candle, and I enter on here. I enter here. So this was Sunday candle. This one was Friday candle. So on over here is a doji, and this is the confirmation, or not more confirmation. Okay. This was a more confirmation that it break that doji, right? So I say, okay, I'm gonna enter at this is 2716. I enter at 2713 or 12. So as I told you, I like much better, which you see, you still seeing that green candle right here. You know, that very green candles, like I said, is very attractive to the market. So I'm still waiting for this target to come. So as you can see, my target supposed to be here, but I'm gonna take it when it give me 100 pips, which is gonna be right here. This is my limit stop. This is my stop loss right here. Okay. This is a live trade that I'm doing it now. Today, Monday, on the 30th. Okay. So my friend, I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. Okay. So bye bye.